Breath measure technique. Every type of measure requires a method to make the sample value as qualitative as possible. When you breathe normally, the volume that you breathe in and out is about half a liter. It's called the tidal volume. The tidal volume is a mix of fresh air and used air from your lungs. This volume will have a low concentration of breath ketones. We don't want to measure the air you just inhaled, so we want to get to the volume beneath the tidal volume. That volume is called expiratory reserve volume, ERV, and is the maximal volume of air that can be exhaled from the end expiratory position. To get the gas from the expiratory reserve volume, you need to first exhale the tidal volume. It may sound complicated, but it is really just to do a normal exhale. The volume of the expiratory reserve volume is about 1 liter. As the breath ketones are heavier than air, the highest concentration is in the bottom volume. By exhaling the last volume of the expiratory reserve volume, you automatically stop exhaling at the same point every sample. This will give you the most consistent and highest readings. To exhale the last volume of the expiratory reserve volume, you need to exhale your tidal volume and some of the expiratory reserve volume, before exhaling into the Ketones device. Breathe normally. Then do a normal exhale, this is the tidal volume. Then exhale some more, this is some of the expiratory reserve volume. Then continue, exhale into the Ketones device, as long as you possibly can. Practice until you get values within ±5% within a few minutes. It doesn't take long to get the right technique. And each test doesn't cost you anything extra.